If you were a boy, then girl, you'd understand. You need to stop listening to your friends. Love, respect, and trust your man. So I go to club with the guys, and sometimes flirt with the girl. I should be able to roll out as long as I'm coming home to you. Love, give you the world, but you're not a boy, so you don't have a clue. Hey, how I work and pay the bills. Girl, everything I do is for you. Hey,